Hi, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for Conscious Box. The box just arrived this morning. I haven't opened it yet, so let's begin. All I've done so far is cut open the sticker at the bottom. So, there's a second box inside. I really like the design this time. Find Nature's Fireworks. Each box seems to have a different theme each time. Just some information about the products that will be inside, it looks like. Oh wow, really pretty postcard. And although it's a tiny box, you can see it's packed full of products. So let's begin. There's computer eye relief. This will probably be good for me because I'm always at the computer, and by the end of the day my eyes are tired. There's some moisturizer by Blossom Organics. Ultimata Replenisher Lemonade. I believe I got some of these in either my previous Conscious box or my Vegan Cuts box from last month. Different flavor though, so. There's Hydration Factor Dietary Supplement. There's fruit tea. I am not a tea person, but I'm going to try this anyways. Hopefully I like it. Parma vegan cheese. It'll be interesting to try. Oh, Beanfields chips, salt and pepper. I actually got a bag of these chips in my last box, but a different flavor, so I wonder if these will taste good. There's some Herbal. Looks like sea salt infused with herbs and vegetables. There's also a coupon on the bottom to save $1. I'm not sure if my local store sells these, but we'll see. There's Organic Flavor Liquid Drink Mix. I got 2 of these in my last box. I haven't yet tried them, but they look really good. Oh, and I got another one. 2 different flavors. More tea. Lavender-Tulsi. That might be good. And another little tea thing. Chocolate orange. That's an interesting mix. Last round hangover support. I'm not sure if I'll be ever having a chance to use this because I don't drink, but we'll see. There's a reusable bamboo towel, 1 sheet. It's nice and soft. You can use it in a variety of ways, it looks like. There's a little small reusable spoon. That's cute. Something about self-tanners. Save 15% on this website if you use this code. I don't use self-tanners, so I'm not sure I'm using it. Let's see. A little card about Mineral Hygienics. And on the back it's coupon for take $20 off. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed. You can visit my website. I'll put in the description below, and as I review these products, I'll put up a review on my blog. Thanks for watching. Bye.